Hello, today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely Alfa Romeo Giulia. Now this isn't your standard vehicle, this is a Quadrifoglio, so it's 510 brake horsepower, 2.9 litre V6, rear wheel drive. It's an absolute beast. Finished in Vesuvio Grey, which is one of the best colours. We've got carbon fibre all the way throughout the vehicle, so on your lower lip, on your side skirts, your rear spoiler, nice aggressive diffuser on this car as well. Alex will show you around the car because it is a very aggressive looking vehicle. 19-inch alloys, shod in Michelin Pilot Sports all round, supplied with both keys, fantastic service history. Look at that carbon fibre glistening in the sun. From the back, very aggressive looking cars, quad exhaust tips, massive rear diffuser, and then when you jump inside you'll find a half leather and Alcantara sports bucket seat. Drivers is three-way memory, so ideal if you're looking to share the car. Carbon fibre isn't just on the exterior, you'll find it all the way through inside as well. So on the dashboard, centre console, on your door cards. It's got everything that you'd expect as well, so heated seats, heated steering wheel, SAT-NAV, full music streaming, and then you've got your driving modes as well. So you've got efficiency, you've got comfort, you've got dynamic, and then you've got full fat race mode, which reduces your traction control, switches off front collision alert, and just makes it into a different beast altogether. So if you'd like anything more on this vehicle, if it's a part exchange, if it's finance, give us a call. Our phone number 01942 231123. Email us or just send us a message on Facebook. Thank you for watching.